guys that are new to the channel, welcome. My name is...
third time to Birmingham, so don't...
Alright, okay. It's Sean's third time. He's not a newbie to Birmingham. He's been there before. Alright, people? So yes, if you're new to the channel, I'm SK. This is my husband, Sean, and my daughter...
ShéKayla.
That's my daughter, ShéKayla. And if you can hear some cooing in the back seat, that's my baby boy, River. Yeah, so we're headed to Birmingham. Glad you guys can join us. Yeah, so hopefully you guys can stick around, enjoy the trip, enjoy this vlog, see the place. I think there's some sort of German Christmas market thing that happens in Birmingham every Christmas time of year and stuff like that. So hopefully we
German market.
Yeah, German market. Yeah, so hopefully you guys can stick around so we can show you guys the German market, and a little tour of Birmingham. So what we get up to, you know. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe if you're new here, if you just buck up on the channel. So make sure you subscribe, stick around, and we'll probably show you guys some scenes from the road if there's anything interesting. If it's just boring road, we're not going to show you, but if there's anything, we'll show you guys. Be soon. Alright, okay, so we see you guys in the next clip. Right, driver? So glad that Sean is here so I can be in the passenger seats. Sean, you remember that time we were coming from Birmingham late and I was falling asleep by the wheel?
Yeah, both times.
Yeah, both times. Sean was just visiting those times. It was rough. I was like, I had to pull over. I think Sean had drive the second time around. He had to drive, y'all. I was like falling asleep. You know, I was driving for 3 hours. No, it was 3 because we went for the wedding. We went to Leicester, then we went to Birmingham, and then that was like a 3-hour drive back. No, it's true. Dude, look at me like that. It's true. Anyways, and should we tell him you're gonna go visit your brother as well?
Sure.
Yeah. So one of the reasons that we're actually going to Birmingham is so Sean can visit his only family in the UK. His only brother lives over those sides in Birmingham. So his only brother in the UK, because Sean has a lot of siblings. So, but he has a brother that lives in Birmingham, and we haven't seen him since Sean has been here because, you know, it's 2-3 hours on the road driving and stuff, so it's a bit difficult, you know. Anyways, see y'all in the next clip.
Walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where.
Well, guys, we are taking a little break from our very long road. Yeah, so we're at a welcome break. Sean, what do you guys call it in the States? A rest stop. Well, in the UK we call rest stops welcome breaks. Because we need the toilets.
In a quarter of a mile, keep right.
No, see the signs them here. We're gonna go park up. Oh, there's a Tesla charging. There's fuel. Car parking is that way. See the signs there? So we're just going so straight. There's no entry over here. Yeah. Yes, guys, so we're here at the welcome break. Look. Yeah, welcome break. Welcome break. Here's Sean. River is fast asleep as usual. Yeah, look at all this ice. Sean, wait there. Look. Look at that. You know what? I can probably show you guys when we come back. Yeah, look. It's so cold that it's just frozen. Completely frozen. Alright. We need the toilet, so that's what we're gonna do. What we have in here? Waitrose, WH Smith. We got Starbucks. Yeah. Ah, I remember. It was just you and me. Yes, you're right. True, because you can't see around there, sir. Donuts. Oh yeah, there's KFC and Burger King down there. Yes, Starbucks, yeah. Gambling. Alright people, toilet, so in a bit. Guys, look how cool this air dryer is. It's like you don't put your hand in it at all. See? Guys, we're outside of the welcome break area, and I just wanted to show you guys the fish. I thought they were dead, but I could see a lot of them still moving, because you know in here like kind of frozen. So there's some frozen areas, and some of them they're not moving, but I can see some swimming. Can you see? Yeah, there's some moving, and here is completely frozen. Wow, look at that. Wow, it's crazy. See, it's cold, it's very cold. This is outside the welcome break, y'all. It's the first to me I've ever experienced like these sort of temperatures where the snow take forever to melt, you know, because it's been so cold, and I have a cold. I don't know if you guys notice. See, this is the center we're in now, right?
Yeah.
South and City College. That's a college over there.
Why them people not stay home?
Why you don't stay home?
I have important stuff to do.
like what?
This.
Come in the people's city?
This. What do you mean? They have all week to do what they're doing right now. All week.
The Christmas shopping, Sean.
You know the stereotype.
That stupid Christmas thing now.
This is the 5th temporary light.
They're going to kiss the world tour.
Gucci guilty.
You got my rock out, yeah.
Go Carm, go Sean. Green. You stopping for shit the whole time, the light on red.
Right, with suitcase though. Why
Sure.
everybody putting suitcase? That's super sketch.
Yeah, cause we just crossed the bus station.
They're shopping too much, man.
Yeah, that's coming from somewhere.
Sean, we needed to bring our suitcase, huh?
Oh, what?
So we could blend in.
One big empty suitcase. What's up,
Right.
why are you doing this, old man? What's up?
Lord, hurry up,
You should be
sir.
using the crossing sign. This is not safe.
Look, parking
Yeah.
is so, you could go so to park to, but where is the ring? Where? Oh,
We're
it's
right
here.
This all
Oh, it's
inside
right
the
here.
markets. You can see.
Oh.
This is not a German market, but that's not just.
Oh, but there's a market here. Is this market always here?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then the little building you can see right over the head. That market up in there as well.
Okay.
So you probably find.
So this is
you
the
know people that host their
market.
little stalls real quick.
Yeah.
And then on the other side of that, then you got the food bit, the food market.
Is this a church?
Yeah. Purple.
It's very old one.
Very dark.
Yeah. It looked like Batmanish. You know?
You let in that many. You let in one.
Wow.
Not three.
Look at this building.
Because
This
you're
is
taking
the
away
car
all those
park.
parking for us.
For true, right?
Inside bull ring, you just take that. You got maybe.
This is a car
TGIs.
park, y'all.
No, TGIs ain't
Over
here.
there's a bridge, so people are walking across this to go into that building over there.
So it does feel nice. So it does feel nice. Yeah,
Guys, we're here. Finally, after over 1 hour of trying to find parking. Can you see me, Sean?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You guys hungry?
Yes, we're here.
Yeah, we're
I
gonna get
don't know
some.
if you want. Outside German market got beer food along that. So
Yes,
I don't know if you want to check that before.
yeah, so we're here. Sean is there. Sean's brother is here. So that's Sean's brother. Here's ShéKayla. It's so nice and warm. Oh, it's nice and festive in here. We got Chanel, Armani, Dior, MAC, Gucci. So out down here is like a makeup section, I guess. So we're trying to see if we can go to the German market. Music, copyright. So we'll probably catch you guys in a bit. They play some nice music in here. Gosh, guys, the whole time I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I'm using the GoPro and I don't understand how to use it, so I've been like talking to you guys just like this, you know, showing you guys the place and stuff inside the mall. And yeah, so I was like showing you guys like all the name brand stuff. They had like Balenciaga and Gucci and what else they had? They had Boss and no no way. So this is the bull ring, y'all. Yeah, Wingstop is everywhere, huh? Wow. But yeah, that kind of sucked. But you know what, I've been recording like on my phone and stuff like that as well to upload on TikTok. So whatever I missed on the vlog, it's cold out here.
Yeah, this way is a longer way, so
I hope you guys can see me clear. Oh my gosh. Wow. River is just there, guys, peacefully. He's up, just checking out the scene, you know. So guys, once you come to Birmingham, you have to take a picture by this boat because it's like popular.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. That's it. That's it.
Alright.
I've seen it on YouTube though.
I don't want to do that. What is it? Is it to pull a weight or something? ShéKayla?
Don't probably could have done next time.
No.
All you gotta do is pretend like you're hanging on. Put your arm. So it is this side.
Oh, so where's the market? Oh, this is it.
Oh,
okay.
We didn't come the last time then. We didn't come the
I was asking you, you know, if we didn't. So guys, we're here at the German market thing now. So let's get some food.
I've been in years.
Really? Wow.
I think after 2012.
So we don't know what kind of food we want. Something smell nice, yeah. Something smell like Kayla. Oh, you said Waterstones. What was it again? It's a library. But let's eat first, no? But we gotta come back this way anyways, no? You know what I mean? Sean, I'm here. Guys, there's so many people. I think. Oh, churros, Sean. Wow. So when I get my food, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. Ooh, this lighting is nice. Guys, I'm here. Never tried churros before, so I'm gonna try it now. Here it is. Ooh, this is the oil. So I'm now in the queue because I'm going to try a churro. And here it is. That's the oil right here. And those are the churros. Yay!
Make sure you get sugar plus cinnamon.
Sugar and cinnamon. Okay. Got it. Choo choo. Hold on.
Sorry, come then.
Got it. So here goes. So funny, try the churro. It's nice. Yeah, this is good. Churros is good. If you had a churro before, comment down below if you've had it with like Nutella or chocolate sauce on it. Yeah. garbage. I'm freezing.
This is the nuts place that we pass.
Yeah, they smell nice.
One Irish cream.
Sean is trying the Irish cream almonds.
And misguided through false and fabricated, purposeful fabricated information that has been systematically developed.
Honey cashews and the Irish cream almonds. They look nice and they smell nice. And I wish that I used to eat it, but I don't. Yeah, not saying my thing. I don't know. I hope hopefully you guys can see me. But ShéKayla has been bugging me to take her to Waterstones. It's a book. What is it, ShéKayla? It's a library or a bookstore or something. So into Waterstones we go. Can you see me? Yeah. Here she is. And here we are. It's nice and cozy in here. Alright, Missy, have fun. She and her book, she's a book lover, y'all, so we have to stop in here so she can look around at the books. Look who's nice and cozy, y'all. We took him out a while ago to take some family pictures. I'll insert some. And he was smiling and everything. Oh, Sean, what nuts did you say you had? What's this?
Almond.
Almond, no, something pretty, something another almond. Bailey's? Was it the Bailey's almond? Is it nice? Does it taste like Bailey's?
Can try it.
I don't eat no stuff. Can I bite a little piece off of you? Just a tiny piece, I'll bite. Because I'm not an almond lover. I don't eat almond. Oh my god, it's just nice.
It does taste good, isn't it?
Oh my god.
Yeah. Loving the nuts now.
Taste some of these, Kayla. Oh my god, it don't taste like almond. Oh my god. This is good. It could taste the Bailey's for real, isn't it? Or whatever it is. Anyways, we're gonna look some books. Come back to you guys. Let's see what book ShéKayla found.
Verity.
What's Verity?
It's by Colleen Hoover.
How much is it?
I'm not sure. It says £5 off.
But how you know you're gonna like this book?
Because it's Colleen Hoover.
Verity. Yeah, but the other book was by Colleen Hoover that you didn't like, no?
What book? Oh, you're perfect.
Find out how much is it. ShéKayla is such a little nerd. Look at her. Look at her. Getting all amazed at the books that she's seen. Like, oh my gosh. Wait, look at her. Sean, you don't want to hear her over here. Oh my god. All of the TikTok books, exactly. Watch out. What's this?
This is like a love story about this. What's it called?
Love on the Brain.
Wait, is this?
They don't have the prices on them in here, do you know, guys? But look, they have like £2 off, £5 off. So it's like if £5 is off, how much is for the actual book? Because I don't know. They don't have the cost.
See, they have it empty though. I didn't want another copy, but I'm like, what's the point of getting another copy?
So you have this already?
Yeah, it's just like hidden.
Mexican Gothic. Okay,
So
go.
7 husbands of everything. I'm sorry, I just have to see all of it.
What? ShéKayla, stop being a little nod. She's so silly. Oh my goodness.
I just have to see.
ShéKayla don't care about this German market, right? She just care about this bookstore, because from the moment we got here, that is all ShéKayla. That's all ShéKayla been going on about the books. Can we go to the bookstore? They close at 7 p.m.
They have the love,
and it's like 7:15 right now.
and they have Love on the Brain.
So what are you gonna get? Because I'm not buying you the whole store.
Could you?
So pick.
Could you?
No, you see, this is when she's happy. Usually we vlogging and Kayla's like, but yeah, I see how she lights up because she loves to read. Books lights her up. This is a highlight of ShéKayla's trip to Birmingham. The books from, what's the name of the store? from the books in Waterstone bookstore.
There was the works, but they couldn't.
Right. I guess we'll catch you guys back on the street after ShéKayla make her purchase. So, yeah. River and his daddy. Say hi. Because they always see you in your car seat, in your stroller. Yeah? ShéKayla coming back with her price now. So there he is, y'all. Chilling with his daddy. This is one you always wanted as well?
Yeah, because there's the love happy. And there's
Since tonight.
I'm being serious. I wanted verity. I wanted verity, but it's £15. That's the book that I want.
I want Sean to come and punch.
If you wait, let me know. Big punch.
I'm trying to get my husband over here to go and punch. Sean, go do a big boy punch for me now.
I'm gonna go and do this.
You don't want to do it? Sean don't want this. Sean punking out, y'all.
Big shot, big boy. 8 to 8.
I'm sorry.
What you say, is a no?
He collected money, he doing
Exactly. That's why he's saying big boy punch.
How much? Like, 7 to, how much is
Yeah,
it?
7.5, 7. Yeah, he's gonna have one shot now, yeah. Come on, bro.
okay, what the price if I hit 1,000?
Big boy punch.
Sean, you want to find out?
Come on, big boy. Show them.
Hit!
One more big shot.
Oh boy.
Big shot punch.
Sean thinking about it in a yard.
Never.
Lorenzo, you don't want to go do it?
I know people be waiting, testing the ring.
I'm gonna pay £5 to close his eye and say big boy punch. He's not even looking.
Look at that.
So you're not hitting no thousand.
Alright, so this is the bag right here, right? And this is him, right? And he was looking this way. Like, oh, you know it's a big
He hyping you up, Sean. He hyping them up. You don't make them feel like they're doing something big. Oh gosh, it's a good hype, man. So ShéKayla got her book, y'all. So we back out on the street again, just walking down the line, basically. You know, just recording the market a little bit. I think I'll show you guys this part already. But I think it's basically like, it's a German Christmas market. It's like a bunch of stalls selling all sorts of stuff. It smells nice as well. So they have those nice German hot dogs, super long, and those really nice as well. But we went and we had dinner at this place, Chopsticks Noodles, where I had some kind of like caramel glazed type of chicken, and sweet and sour chicken with some sort of rice. It's Chinese. Then I had the churros. That was nice. So the hot dogs, I really wanted to eat the hot dogs, but I don't have any room for it, right? Because we didn't eat any food, and I know, is this hot dog gonna like fool me? I was like, nah, it's not gonna fool me, because I'm gonna end up having to like buy some kind of food after. So I'd rather just fill my belly up and stuff. So yeah, and it's super cold. It's probably like 0 degrees right now. His face must be cold. Let's put up his hood some more. There we go. Okay.
Not we're pulling out his hand, it's fine.
I know he's cold. This is his first time experiencing this cold though, because he's not normally out in this type of weather, especially at night. Look at him. He's well warm. But guys, y'all need to come if you're in Birmingham. Those nuts, they're actually really nice. It's nut place here.
They go down very nice in the mouth.
Right?
Tell them about.
Fell down prostrate in the week.
The nuts go down really nice. Seriously, Sean. They got German beer over there. That stall is selling beer. It says German beer, shandy, rum, amaretto, and some names I can't pronounce. Look at this building. This is a very old building as well. Oh, here is so full. I think the tram normally comes here, guys. If you guys can see, a tram normally comes through here as well. But the train? A tram. It's called a tram. It's something like a train. Yeah, tram. You've never been on a tram? It's like a train, but it comes in the middle of here, look, in the road in the town. This is the Apple store. It's big. Shout out to the Apple store. It's a big store. Okay, and I think it's like hotel down here. Oh, it says the Burlington Hotel. What's this? Hot chocolate snacks. Okay. Yes, guys. So, ooh, it's pretty there. So this is Birmingham, guys. City Centre. Oh, I saw you guys. Don't worry. ShéKayla wanted me to record Apple because it's big. Yeah, Apple store. It's in a big old thing. The shop. German Frankfurt sausage. What are these, Sean? Donuts. Hold on. Here's the custard. Oh, these look big. Berlin, cherry, Ariel. Those are big. Okay. So they're showing you guys what they have. They have like little woolly stuff here. Yeah. Here is Starbucks, Hotel Chocolat. Guys, look how many people are here though. Look at that. Guys, I'm still here, but I'm just like recording just to show you guys a bit. My hands are so cold. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so cold and I really want to I'm just gonna show you guys a bit more. What? Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I'll show you guys a bit more because like, Lord, I'm so cold, man. This as well. Yeah, it's like a kitchen here, y'all. It's like a grill. What is it though? What is it? Ah, chicken. It's a grill. I thought it was a dirt stand. Right? I thought it was drunk chicken or something. I was like, something is like barbecuing or jerking, smoking. But it is steak or steak in a bun or with chips over there. Yeah. What did you say? It smelled proper like it could be some kind of like barbecue chicken or something, you know, jerk chicken. Yeah, but you see they sell a lot of these hot dogs, sausages and stuff like that. Got the ketchup and the mustard and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, this is a bit of the German market, and people usually come down to Birmingham just for this market. It's like a big thing that happens like every year. People come down and it's very popular. People love the foods and they try different things, and you know. So yeah, here look, they have like some kind of sweets or something. It's a special pick and mix type of thing. Yeah. Oh, Sean, what are these? Sean? Really? Let me see. Hold on. I'm gonna take a picture. Look at these candy apples, guys. How much is it though?
Right.
These are candy apples. Look. 5.50. Looks nice. I don't know if I would you want to eat a candy apple? I don't know.
I had it.
What's your candy run cake? And that's right.
I don't want to eat.
Boy, ShéKayla always say she had things.
I did at the youth fair.
What you? Really?
I did.
So ShéKayla, you be trying things and I don't be trying nothing? Y'all have had a candy apple? How it tastes if y'all have had it? I just don't know if I would like it. I don't want to buy like a whole apple full of candy for £5 and then I don't like it. Shut up. Maybe Sean was interested, but yeah. Yeah, I'm not about to do that then. And here is the Christmas tree. Yeah. I'm the only one dancing.
No, you're not. You're proper British.
Look at my family. Shani. Caroline.
Festive spirit, boy.
Look at Lorenzo. See, even Lorenzo moving. It's a vibe, right, Sean? It's a vibe. Oh, Ribby. Run. Oh. Can I feel them again now?
Yeah, I was thinking the same with my hand. I'm like,
My fingers on fire right now.
Oh, there's a show them.
That's the scene. Where are they playing it? Oh! Oh wow! I see. Lads, all these elves. Guys, we're in Primark, right? We made a quick stop. So this Primark in Birmingham is the biggest Primark in Europe, and there's a Primark beauty studio. Oh my gosh, can we see? Is it closed? Let's see. I mean, this is pretty cool, like, right? See? So it's huge. It's got like a few floors as well, guys. And you can literally like get your hair done. Wow, this is nice. Primark Beauty. It's a huge Primark, and they have a beauty studio. Very cool. Wow. I love this. Not me giving y'all a tour. Primark Beauty Studio. And the shop is down there. Very nice. Wow. Oh, let's go this way. Y'all getting a tour. Come, Kayla. Oh, they have the prices here. So you can get facials, haircuts, blow dry, nail polish, eyelash extensions, threading, waxing, everything. Wow. That's the front. And if you want pedicures, that's it. And that's the front. I know, I did show. This is quite cool. And the hair salon is there, and it's Primark Beauty Studio. Yeah, it's the biggest. Huh? Right, so you guys had a little mini tour of Primark. And that's just that section. Where is Sean? We need to find Sean and River. Where? Oh, Sean. Look at Sean like tucked away on the side. Anyways, yeah, we just stopped here quickly. So nice and warm. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's nice and warm in here. And then we're gonna go back outside. Just a little walk down. It's super cold, but yeah, we're catching a little warm. I don't know how many floors this Primark has. Maybe like 4 or something. I'm not sure, but it's the biggest Primark in Europe.
5 floors.
5 floors. Oh yeah. So it's 5 floors. So I don't know if you guys are living in the UK, if you've ever been to this one, but it's like 5 floors. Huge. Let me put this on. Security is here. So later, guys. I am home sweet home in my nice warm house. Place cold. Guys, make sure you give the video a big fat thumbs up. So hit the like button, because y'all see I was determined to take you guys with me no matter how cold it was. I was like, I have to show y'all. So make sure you like the video, and for those of you guys that made it to the very end, thank you very much. If you've been to Birmingham Christmas, if you've been to that German Christmas market, if you live in the UK, comment down below and let me know. And let me know what you think about it and all of that jazz. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave me a comment down below. And I will see you in the next vlog. Alright people, take care. Bye.